simple way to earn money using simple ingredients. You are not going to be cooking anything. You are not going to be using anything. You are not going to be burning anything. These are simple ingredients, and these simple ingredients, if you do it correctly, is going to make you money. It is very, very simple. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. On this channel, we give simple life hacks, give spiritual tips, and simple ways to make money spiritually. I'm going to be showing you simple way to earn money spiritually using simple ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen right now. And what are these ingredients? One, we are going to be using what you call shea butter. Shea butter. Shea butter. I'm going to be showing you the image. Shea butter. Then two, we are going to be using red palm oil. Red palm oil. Then the third one, we are going to be using honey. And in this case, original honey. And the fourth one is we are going to be using salt. Salt. So we are going to be combining all this to come up with a remedy that will pull money to us. And this is very good for those who have stores. It is called sales booster. It is very good for those who have store. If you don't have a store but you sell, even if you sell online, you still need it. If you do business contract, you need it. If you sell any type of selling that you do, you can be affiliate marketer, you can anything that you sell online, offline, you have a store, you don't have a store, you hawk, you go from house to house, then you need this simple remedy. It is called sales booster. And I've told you the ingredients. Now, how do we prepare it? Very simple. I told you we are not going to be cooking it. We are not going to be burning anything. All you need to do is we are going to be mixing this together. And once you mix it, I'm going to be showing you how to use it. But before then, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. Like this video, then share it to others. Don't be stingy. You are getting it free. So there is no problem if you can give it out free. If you cannot teach them, then you share it to people, let them see, so that they also benefit what you are benefiting. Now, all the material, we're going to be mixing everything together, all the ingredients. We are going to be mixing them together. Just look for a plate, preferably a ceramic plate that is white. Then put all the ingredients. We're going to put in shea butter, just very little. You are going to be putting the palm oil, red palm oil. Then you are going to be adding the original honey. Then you are going to be adding salt, just little salt to it. You are going to be mixing everything together. Once you mix it together like this, just mix it together. Once you mix it, then your job is almost done. The only thing remaining is how are you going to be using it? You are going to be using this preparation to just rub your hand before going out in the morning, before going out to your store, before going out for your business. You have to use this. Just use it to rub your palm. If you are not the type that is allergic to things, then you can also rub your face. You can rub your body. And you can also put it in your belly button. This makes it very sharp. But you can use it to rub your body from head to down. It doesn't do anything. But just apply it. That's just the thing. You are just using it to rub. You can see this is very simple. You are not... Most of the ingredients that we mentioned, there are 4. And you probably have this in your kitchen right now. So you can just go ahead and do this. Don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. Anything you do in spirituality, you have to have faith. Your faith allows the thing to work very fast. Don't doubt. Doubting is just making the thing to slow down. Don't doubt. You don't need to doubt. Just have the belief that this thing is going to work. This has worked for others. It has worked for so many people, and I'm giving it to you. Why not try it? I'm not collecting anything for trying. Just do it and try. Once you just do it, then the rest is for you. And I know this one, I'm expecting the first 10 people to give their testimony. If I receive 10 testimony, then I'm going to be dropping the second part of this video, because there are two ways to do this remedy. This is the first way I'm giving you. In the next video, if I see 10 testimonies, then I'm going to be dropping the second one immediately. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.